If you'd like to do online testing through Eduphoria and have oral administration included, it appears the easiest way to do that is to include audio files into each question. When you do that, the student will see the audio file up at the top, and they will be able to play. It'll sound something like this. Bonnie needs 8 hours of sleep during every 24-hour period. Now, in order to do that, you must use the Audacity program. And so what I did over here was I recorded myself reading that file. I clicked export and I saved it as an MP3. So I exported it as an MP3, saved it on my desktop. When you're in the Eduphoria program under the questions, you can go to edit. And then right here it kind of looks like a picture of mountain. It says insert file. You can choose that MP3 file, which will allow you to upload that sound file into the question, which will be what the students are able to hear. As far as administering the test, this would be accessible to all students, but if you wanted to only have your ELL or SPED students taking it on the computer, then when they're doing oral administration, they would see that piece. If it's a situation where all students are going to be taking the test online, then it may be appropriate to only have the ELL students using headphones and listening to the test. I'm going to let you decide how to manage that piece. But if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.